Hayibo, ngeke thina sinezidlala iwinter la. Se-KZN la thina sathenga imizi e-KZN enama-swimming pool basifuna uku-enjoy unyaka wonke. I-weather thina sathenga kuyiyona kwakuthiwa it's either hot or very hot. So nje angeke singabangeni ngama-swimming pool ezi ngoba kuthiwa kumakhaza. Niyazi nani if it's not on the gram it's a scam. Manje abantu besabona ukuthi sinemizi enama-swimming pool ngoba nakho kumakhaza. Ma siyakhokha thina unyaka wonke. Aze kuthiwe ngoba uJune July nizokhokha kancane nama-swimming pool ngoba vela niwasebenzisa. Vele it's not like nangesama siyabhukuda kuwona. So nje mina I shall enjoy my swimming pool. Come cold, come freezing, come snow, come everything. Anginandaba mina. Ayikhokhela le pool. Ho, ofanele basitshele sithenge imizi enganawo ama-swimming pool. Sisave imali. No winter formed against me shall prosper. I shall enjoy my swimming pool. Andabi kwami la. Ho, niyazi nani if it's not on the gram it's a scam. Aze ningiphikisa ukuthi noma uzongine-swimming pool ngoba nakumakhaza. Godolela khona. Kodwa kokusalayo. Ngiyabangena. Ngiyena ne-swimming pool yami.
Thenjiwe Unplugged Homecoming Comedy Special on the 3rd of October 2025, Durban Playhouse Theatre. Also, we are doing Eswatini on 4th of October. She's also bringing her funniest friends for a night of a non-stop laughter. Mdura, Eswatini's king of comedy. Tando Mselego, Durban's sharp and rising talent. Sandile Fly Motion Makanya, one of South Africa's comedy legends and crowd's favorite.